Hi, how are you? I feel great. I just finished my second work on the field of brain-computer interfaces. As you might know, I'm working on a solution which converts eyeblinks to text using the Morse code. It detects eyeblinks based on brainwaves. I have Muse S band from which I can get raw EEG data, and I use that to detect the blinks. The Muse has a built-in blink detection, but it doesn't give back the length of the blink, so I had to implement my own solution. In my solution, I have three different kind of blinks. There are normal blinks, short blinks, and long blinks. The normal blinks, what you are doing normally during the day. The short blinks are a little bit longer ones than the normal ones. This is what I will use as source of information, what I can convert to Morse to characters using the Morse code. The short blink will be the short sign in Morse, and there's a long blink that will be the long character. I practiced a little bit, and I've defined certain thresholds. It is 200 millisecond after I say it's not a normal blink anymore but a short blink, and after 450 milliseconds I say it's a long blink. It is possible I will make it configurable in the future, because it might need some time to be able to control intentionally your eye blinks, but I think it only needs a few minutes. So the only reason why I think it might still make sense to make it configurable, if you learn it, you can shorten the time which needed for you to type one character, because if you learn to control your eye blinks, like you can have, for example, short blinks between 200 and 300, and everything above is a long blink. I'm pretty sure humans can learn that. Then you can type much faster. So that is the reason why it might still make sense to make it configurable. So let's demonstrate how it's working. Okay, so here are the brainwaves. As you can see, let's make it a little. Actually, I think I should. Great. This is a very low-end computer. It costs around $300 and not more. But it's suitable for me for everything. I have a better computer, but my son is using it because he's playing games, which really needs more CPU power. But for my pet project, for writing and playing games like Fortnite, Minecraft, Among Us, and Stardew Valley, it's more than enough. Okay, it's a little bit. So okay, it's enough. Maybe not with 60 FPS, not with 30 FPS, but still, for me, for the having fun, it's enough. Okay, let's see. Let's calm down a little bit to have a more straight EEG signal. As you can see, Okay, I don't think I'm blinking so often. I think there must be a huge delay here between what I see and what's happening. So let's try it. Let's blink a long one. You see? It took about 5 seconds to appear. I guess this is because the recording is ongoing and also because I am running this program in parallel, but it doesn't matter that much. I can still demonstrate it. So, as you can see, there are many normal blinks. Now let's have a few short blinks. Cool. Now let's have a few long blinks. Okay, one of them was short. Let's have a few more long blinks. You can ignore the normal blinks because it's completely natural that I am blinking normally. As you can see, it needs some practice, but I only practiced for 10 minutes up till now, so I would say it's quite a good result and it's not hard to learn at all. Okay, now let's do something trickier. Let's have a short blink, a long blink, a short, a long, a short, a long. Okay, let's do this. I completely messed up. No problem. Let's do a few short blinks as a practice. Okay, and now let's do the short, long, short, long, short, long. My short blink was too short. So let's try it again. Short. Long. I said long. Okay, then let's try again a long. Okay, then let's start again. Short. It might be a long. Yeah, it was too long. So let's have a short, a long, a short, a long, a short, a long, another short, another long, another short, another long, another short, and another long. Cool! As you can see, with a few minutes of practice, you can master this. So I think I'm ready for the next step, which is implementing the Morse alphabet or Morse code, and then I have to create the converter, and I have to detect the poses which will separate the characters, and if I have that, then I only have to learn the Morse codes, which I will use using a mind map. I will definitely create a video about it. It is not much different than learning the vocabulary of any language, so I'm expecting I will be able to learn it pretty quickly. Of course, I will share my mind map. I always suggest to create your own, because it will stick much more if you do it with your own hands. But I will share it, of course. Maybe you can just use it as a base, and then you can rearrange the notes in it. Okay, then have a very nice Sunday and happy Mother's Day. Bye.